So I turned on the Dasher app and I ended up getting a quick McDonald's order, about $5 to go about 1.5 miles. So let's go get it. That was super fast. I don't know where this is trying to take me, but yeah, that's fine. Okay, I already made it to Chris's house. I'm about to drop off his McDonald's right quick and be done with this. So let's go. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take a quick break and head to my place right quick, and then I'll continue dashing here in a few minutes. Okay, so today I'm checking out this dope accessory. I just got it. I was out doing my little Spark and a little bit of DoorDash. I stopped at my place. This was here, so I figured why not check it out right quick. I just got this from a company called NovaPads. It's a super dope accessory for the back of my Tesla Model Y Performance. Okay, so this is an inflatable mattress from NovaPads, and it has all of the instructions right here, the installation guide and storage guide. So first things first, I got to get this out of the box. So let me do that, and then we'll get this rolling. Okay, so right out of the box, this comes with a fitted sheet. Super convenient, right? I may have to look into this because this is new to me. I'm really excited about this. I'm all about being cozy all the time, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this is going to play out. Okay, let's get this out of the bag and see what this is all about. Okay, this is how it comes. This is really cool because I feel like every time I put away air mattresses, it's always a disaster. I could never put it back the way it came whenever it came out of the box. We'll see if I can do that with this, but this is really helpful because I can just take this off. Okay, got it. Well, first things first, we got to put the seats down, right? So. I see that there's little buttons on the side, which is really cool. I'm thinking that whenever you're putting it away, those little buttons will help keep it closed. Okay, so it is already out. It's ready to get inflated. So the super dope thing about this is it comes with a built-in air pump, which is so convenient because if it had all these little pieces, I know I would probably forget them. So this is where it's at. So I think I'm just gonna leave it tied because I really don't need it to go too far. So I'm gonna plug this into the 12-volt thingy back here. Okay, on the left it says deflate, middle off, on the right inflate. Once again, pretty self-explanatory. Okay, let's see how long this takes. Okay, so that took about 1.5 minutes. Well, I would say 1 minute and 40 seconds because I wanted mine a little bit more firm. I'm gonna put the fitted sheet on here right now. So let's see how easy or hard the fitted sheet is to get on. Check this out. Oh my gosh, there's a freaking bee right now, come on. Anyway, what I'm absolutely loving is the fact that it has this right here that says top. Why can't all fitted sheets come with that? Honestly, that's so convenient. So yeah, let's get this on the top. I mean, first impression, it's super comfortable. I mean, it's already more comfortable than just being in the back seat trying to take a nap. I'll tell you that much. It looks good. I love that it came with a fitted sheet already, so I don't have to go hunt one down. Watch your head when you come in here. Like, what even is this? This is crazy. I had no idea they even made mattresses for cars like this. Like, this is amazing. Like, a huge shout out to NovaPads for sending me this mattress. I love it. It fits perfectly in my Model Y Performance. I'm actually pretty blown away because I've never seen a mattress, first of all, for the back of the, I've seen people put mattresses in the back of the car. I've never seen one specifically designed for a car like this one. So this is amazing. I'm loving it so far. I will definitely film another video later on, more in depth, whenever I've had it a little bit longer. But yeah, right now I think that it is good material. It seems pretty durable, very thick, and overall it's a perfect fit in here. And then of course I could always plug my Starlink right back in as soon as it's filled up with air. So sometimes I do deliveries out of town, so this is actually really convenient, like whenever I'm having my long days and I just want to like straight chill. I can park somewhere, I can come back here, I can be on my laptop, I can take a little snoozer, I can just like relax. Yes, you can relax in the front seat of your car too, but I mean, it's not really the same when you have one of these bad boys. I am in Idaho, so I'm kind of close to Yellowstone, so we have gone over there a couple of times, and having this, like on those long days, we can just like take a little chill time. Whenever we go back, I'm gonna take this because those days are so long and we just wanna like relax after like walking all over the place, and I think this is gonna come in clutch. So yeah. If you're interested in something like this, I will put their link in the description down below. But right now, I think I'm just so hyped because I'm just such a cozy queen and I just love stuff like this. Do you think having a mattress in the back of your car is crazy or cozy? Cozy vibes, right? I love how like it's a little hard to come off. Like that's a great thing because I hate those flimsy fitted sheets that just like fly off everywhere. I'm always having to get those little clippy things to keep them from coming off my mattress. So very nice. Gosh, so tight. Okay, I'm getting ready to deflate, even though I don't want to. All right, it was kind of unnecessary for me to get in here, so I think I'm gonna get out. So these are the little buttons right here. You are going to put those together, which makes it for easy storage, honestly. Roll up the mattress from the tail end, okay? Okay. Oh my gosh, I don't think I did it tight enough. So this part's done. Now, I'm getting it in the bag. Let's see how that goes. Let's go put this in the front. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this review video. I was really excited about it, so I'll let you know in about a month or so if I'm still excited about it or I was just being wild. But honestly, I really am, because how convenient is it to have like a mattress for your car like that? I had so much fun on this video, even though I'm supposed to be out there doing Spark and Dash right now, but I had to take a little break. I need to get back to it. It's already getting late. So once again, shout out to NovaPads for sending me the Model Y Mattress Pro. Give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed to me, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the love, all the comments. Thanks for watching.